Hi, my name is Tasha Mouse, yeah. I am in the mood for singing about what I'm doing, like fucking Belle from the Beauty and the Beast, yeah. I almost said the Little Mermaid, so yeah, here we go, wee. I am doing math homework, which is super fun. Just kidding, it's just math. It's not that fun, and it's fucking gay, and all that stuff that is bad. Yeah! I'm looking at the window, cause it looks really pretty outside. It looks really blue and white. I'm looking at the sky, and it's blue and white. And I can't see the sun, so I can't tell you the color of the sun. Cause it's probably on the other side of the fucking planet. Just kidding, and it would be dark over here, but it's not, so the sun is here, but I don't know where it is, I can't see it. I can't see the sun, where did you go, Mr. Sun? I can't see it, Mr. Sun, yeah. And now I'm looking at my drawing that I drew, and it's really good looking, and it's awesome, and now I'm looking over there. I don't know what I'm looking at, but I am. I'm also singing a song about what I'm doing, like fucking Belle from The Beauty and the Beast. Now I'm picking up my pencil, cause it's time for me to do my math again. And now I'm bending really slow. I'm not showing you my cleavage. La 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 la. I got my pencil. I have my pencil, and now it's gonna be a fucking peachy day. And I have a pencil, yeah. And now I'm doing something with my pencil. I don't know what I'm doing. La 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 la. And now I'm doing the rubber pencil thing. Whoa, it looks so rubber. Whoa. I bet everyone can do this, but I feel really smart right now because I can do it. Yay. La 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 la. I'm singing a song about my life, and I'm doing the rubber pencil that looks really weird. It looks like a fucking mermaid. Now I'm going to go sit down and try to do my math homework, which I'm probably never going to finish because I don't understand math, and I have a 65 in math, and yeah, at least I'm passing. That's good. I'm like this guy in my math class that has a 33. La 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 la. Yeah, that was my song, and I hope you really like it. You should follow me on Twitter, yeah. I still have a pencil in my hand, and now I wanna end with the rubber pencil, rubber pencil, rubber pencil, 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 rubber pencil.